how to make the perfect unicorn slime is you need to have pink slime. And I need to mix this because this is a kit and it gets really sticky. Ooh, ew. Disgusting, disgusting. I might need a paper towel after this. This is going to be super sticky, I think. It's supposed to be fluffy slime. Ooh, it's getting fluffier. Oh, there's more in here. Come on, right when it was getting fluffy. Need to keep on mixing. It's almost just the right amount of fluffy I need. Now I'm done with mixing. Now I need to flatten this out because you need purple glitter, rainbow pom-poms, foam beads, I don't know, and glitter, and I choose this glitter, and this glitter. 3 kinds. Okay, maybe I'll just start with this. Ooh! Well, that just made a humongous mess. Well, I'll just pour the rest of that in and then clean that up later. There's not a lot in here, so I don't even need to do anything that much with this, so I can just pour most of it in. More. I love glitter. I'm obsessed with glitter. I love glitter. It's the best. I don't think I can get that on. The last kind of glitter. I'll get the cap later. Maybe. Okay. Now, I might need a little help doing the purple glitter pot. Then you pour a little bit of glitter in your hand, like that. That's a little bit too much, but I love glitter, so that doesn't really matter. If you wanted to add a little bit more glitter, you could, but I think that's enough glitter for me. Okay, just add a couple foam beads, or else it'll like make your slime more like putty. And mix it up. It'll be perfect. Should be, at least. I've done this like a million times. Okay, it might need more glitter. You can't even see it. I'm gonna add flowers this time and hearts. I love flowers and hearts. I forgot that they were there. Flowers, yay, I'm gonna make a springtime one. I don't know why, I just love the spring. It's like the best. Other than summer. Summer is the best. And it's perfect. Now, mix it up some more. And I'll get all this glitter. Perfect. That's just a bunch of glitter. Now it's super crunchy. It's crunchy slime now. I can't help it. This magenta is so pretty. I might want to add more. This is super pretty. Oh, I don't know what I just did. I can't even tell if the foam beads are there, but that's a good thing because then if I add too much, I will probably make this a terrible slime. More hearts. Hearts is my favorite shape. I don't know why I want so much hearts and flowers. Soon I might have to add the entire thing if I'm going to keep on doing this. I'm going to add a tiny, just a second. I think there's so many methods. Where's that charm? I changed my mind. I want the charm. It'll make the slime look. Never mind. I guess I can just do this. Okay, that's really glittery. I can't help it. I need to add silver and gold. Pause. I poured a little bit of silver in my hand. Slap, 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 slap. More. Silver is super pretty. Especially in this, it's fine. As long as I can add the gold first, and then I'll poke it. Wow, that's a lot of gold. Whatever, it's supposed to be a unicorn slime. Unicorns are sparkly. Okay, this is making it kind of a crunchy slime. I don't care, nice slime. And almost done, but I feel like one more thing. Dun. And then, I don't know why I want to do this. After I mix it, there's a little thing that I want to do for, I don't know, fun. I don't know why I want to do this. Please say this will work. This is not working out. I was gonna make a... Well, that just looks like the weirdest thing I've ever seen. A heart. It's a heart, but I messed up. I know this is a really bad idea, but I'm doing it anyway. That made the slime way better. I can't believe it. I thought that slime made it worse because they just mix water with fluffy slime. Wait, was that glue with whipped cream? I mean, not whipped cream, shaving cream? Because when I touched the fluffy part, it felt like shaving cream, but when I touched the other part, it felt like glue. That's weird. And drop more of glitter. I love glitter. Glitter is the best. This is getting sticky. I think I need to let this sit later. I think I can name this slime because I have the perfect name for it. Sparkleberry, I guess, because it's super sparkly and it looks like a berry. Weird. I never name my slimes usually. This is so nice. Wow, that stretches far. Oh, no, not for long, not for long, not for long. Oh no, it almost fell onto the ground. And that would be bad because this is super sticky. My hand has hair, yay. I'll show you how to make a blue unicorn slime now. It's so much fun. Pause. I am going to do blue unicorn slime on the next video though. Okay. Ready, set, go. See you later.